Hey, it's David Baer here from Baer on Marketing, and in this video we're going to be talking about getting your prospects to hand over their email address. In other words, we're going to look at 7 tips to creating a list building strategy that works to get more subscribers, more leads, and more sales. So let's go ahead and dive right in. Number 1, you want to be working on building a community, not just making sales. It's not all about the transaction. It's about growing your list. And if that's your focus, you're going to benefit so much more in the long run than if you focus on making a sale. Here's what I mean by this. If you spend a lot of time in your regular daily activities out and about promoting your business, whether it's offline, doing networking events, whether it's online in groups like LinkedIn or Facebook or on Reddit, if you give people an opportunity not to buy from you right away, but rather to sign up for your list, you then have the ability to sell to them over a longer period of time, and it's not just about that one encounter. All right, next, set it and forget it activities. So here's what I mean by this. There are a lot of things that you can do to drop little traps or plant little traps all over the internet so that people come across them as they're browsing, as they're looking for information, as they're looking for the types of things that you and your business might offer, where you can snag them and capture their contact information and then follow up by email. This video, for example, is a great place to do it. In fact, there's a link down below this video where you can opt in for something. You could do this in author boxes at the end of blog posts, or guest posts on other pages. You could post content on places like LinkedIn or Medium and have people be able to consume information and then give them a call to action about signing up for your list. You could do it for webinar promotions and all kinds of other things as well. So set it and forget it activities to get people onto your list, but things that you do once and can just keep on working for you on an ongoing basis. Next, you want to perfect your pitch. Here's what I mean by this. Finding a way to entice someone to join your list is not as simple as saying, please sign up for our newsletter, or get latest updates from our company. People are not going to be enticed by that. Instead, you want to pitch them on signing up, and therefore you need to incentivize them in some way by giving them something of value in exchange for their email address. Create or revive an affiliate program. If you've never had an affiliate program, but you can have others sending traffic your way, sending prospects your way, take advantage of that opportunity. That's less work for you to do, and you can simply pay those affiliates for the benefit of getting traffic that they have sent your way. Super inexpensive compared to advertising when you don't know what the outcome is going to be. Affiliates get paid only when a sale is made. Or find partners. This is sort of similar to affiliates, but finding other businesses out there who you might do some joint partnerships with, or exchange lists, mail for each other, and therefore you can grow each other's lists as well. It's another great technique. And you always want to make sure that you're using multiple marketing channels. Don't just assume that you can put something up on your website or your blog and people are automatically going to discover it and sign up and never ever invest in putting anything elsewhere. You need to be all over the place in order to capture each and every lead opportunity that you have. Here's a couple of examples of what I mean by that. There's on the right-hand side a sort of typical sales funnel, and you can see this traffic that's coming in from Facebook, search, and email marketing. On the left-hand side, there's a webinar funnel, and there's email and Facebook ads and blog posts that is running traffic to that. So those are different sources that are coming into different lead magnets, and then these are follow-up activities or follow-up sequences that you can see over here. Those are the various emails that get sent out to get people to continue moving through the funnel. So this is a quick overview of how you can add people to your list more effectively. You can actually learn a lot more about this in a great little course called How to Get More Subscribers. It's part of a wider product called Profit Planners from the folks over at MyNAMS. And it's really kind of a cool membership site. This is a quick screenshot of my account in the Profit Planners program. There are a ton of different topics covered, one new topic each and every month. So this is the current month's, as I took the screenshot, about getting leads. How do leads find you online? Very relevant to the content that I'm just sharing with you here. But overall, the program covers a range of topics from list building and email marketing to affiliate marketing, productivity, coaching and consulting income, lots of different ways that you can build a business online, and some of the various approaches. Now, the benefit to this one subject a month is that it gives you an entire month to go through a textbook, a workbook, there's checklists, there's tools and other resources and step-by-step guides to help you through learning and then implementing each of these things in your business. Really, really cool program. It's available either monthly, annually, or you can get it for a one-time payment. And actually, that's the one right here in the middle, the one that I have, and I think the one that is really a no-brainer investment given the amount of amazing value and content that's in there. Now, to incentivize you to actually pick this up as the one-time payment option, when you do, I will give you one of these 6 bonuses. You get to pick which one. These are 6 different products that I sell on my website, anywhere from $75 all the way up to $295. And they cover a range of things from email marketing to regular copywriting, lifecycle marketing, social media marketing, capturing leads on cell phones, and a graphics toolkit as well. If you're interested in learning more about the NAMS Profit Planners and grabbing one of my bonuses, go ahead and click the link below this video where you can opt in to learn more about the Profit Planners and get a little bit bonus training from me as well. So thanks so much for taking the time to watch this video, and I hope that you've gotten some great pointers on how to add more people to your email list.